June 5th, this is Dave Dispinette with the StockPlaybook.com, where we look on a nightly basis to empower the individual investor by letting them look over my shoulder. I manage my own hedge fund, let you see what we're thinking, what we're buying, what we're selling on a daily basis. We're not always right, we're not always wrong, but we are always honest. With our opinions, and that's really all you can hope for. We don't have any hidden agenda. Dow Jones up 26 points today, 0.2%. NASDAQ Composite up 18 points, 0.6%. S&P 500 up 7 points, 0.5%. This bounce, thought it might have been a little bit longer. We've been in a downtrend. We feel ultimately we got a date with the 1200 level, maybe lower, but we might get another day or two out of this positive. It's going to all depend on what the ECB does tomorrow and what Ben Bernanke says on Thursday. Bad news could ultimately be good news with another round of quantitative easing. But it's only so long the government's going to be able to prop up this market. Ultimately, we think the path of least resistance is lower. This is a trader's market. So trade. Look for stocks that are providing you an opportunity. Names like Shuffle Master came out with what I thought was a good report last night. Stock sold off today, warranted, but I think it was a little overdone. Like we say, it's in the penalty box. Let this thing find the home base, but once it does, we think Shuffle Master is a great name to get long for both a trade and or an investment. After the close tonight, Alta Salon had a good report. Good revenues, good earnings, guidance. Stock's looking like it's going to be around 88, 89 tomorrow. We think that's providing us an opportunity to get short on that lift in Alta Salon. Aggressive traders use the recent high of 92, 93 as your stop loss. Those that could give it a little bit more room, I would use the $97, 97, even 100 as your stop loss if you're getting short at the 90 level. That's Alta Salon. Lululemon has earnings Thursday morning. Tomorrow's your last day to put a play on Lululemon. They make the athletic apparel, yoga-inspired athletic apparel. We think it's a great opportunity. We love this company. We think they're going to have a great report, but the expectations are just so high that we think this company is poised for some profit taking. So we think Lululemon to the downside. Take a look at the 65-60 put spread. That's the way we're playing Lululemon. Michael Kors continues to pull in. From an investment standpoint, I'd like to see the stock come in towards the $32 level. From a trading standpoint, it's kind of in no man's land. A pullback to the 32, 34 level, I think you can get long. A rally up to the 41, 42 level, I think you could get short. That's Michael Kors. LinkedIn, kind of the same boat. A lot of stocks are right in the middle of no man's land here. The bullish case for LinkedIn, I like the story going forward, but it's not going to have, the oomph that it needs to fight the headwinds that the market is creating. So from the bullish standpoint, 85, 87 in that area. Yesterday we dropped down as low as, I want to say 88. It was 88. But 85 to 87, I think you get long. A close under 84, which is this low here, and I would take my loss. So you're risking $2 to the downside to potentially catch, 15, 20 to the upside. That's the bullish case. Bearish case, you want to see this thing lift up towards 100 again. A lift up towards 100, 101, 102, you get short, and then a close above, let's call it 105, and you cover your short as your stop loss level. Coinstar, a name that we have liked for years, after the close tonight, announcing that they're going to sell thousands of their kiosks, self-service kiosks to Starbucks. Starbucks is going to start selling their coffee in these kiosks. Great bullish story long term. I wouldn't chase the pop tomorrow, but any weakness in Coinstar could be bought. Francesca Holdings is one of those retail apparel companies that we really like. Nice niche market. Pulled back recently. Any weakness, they have their earnings on Thursday after the close. We like this trade to the upside. And Kona Grills, Kona, one of our favorite retail restaurants, going regional to national, broke out of a nice base, hitting new highs today. That's a speculative play that should be on your radar. That's it for the Stock Playbook. We do this every single night for our subscribers. Sign up for a free trial. You'll get to see what we're due, what we look at, how to trade the market. They don't teach you this stuff in school. I've been in the trenches every minute of every day for 24 years now, and I open my playbook up to you guys on a nightly basis. If you like what I'm doing here tonight, sign up for a free trial. I think you'll be impressed with what we could do for you and help you take control of your finances yourself instead of giving it to some broker on the other end of the phone. Have a good night. I'll talk to you tomorrow.